back. It's TitanicFeetJack. I'd like to welcome everybody to this video. Shout out to the TF gang. How y'all doing out there today? Shout out to all the new viewers. If this your first time seeing this video, I want you to come on in, join the TF gang family. This is how you can join the family. Like the video you're watching, leave a comment in the comment section, and after your comments, leave that hashtag TF gang. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you know when we meet up here on YouTube. Today, we got heat as usual to take a look at. This is a different kind of heat, you know. We're going to see what's in the box. You can see the box. We got the Just Do It tape, aka the Just Steal It tape, because people ride around neighborhoods, see the tape, they already know it's shoes in the box. And I don't know why Nike did that. They tempt people to steal packages. So it's a process and challenging to all the sneakers and hope you get them. But you can see the box. This is the actual shoe box that the item was shipped in. So all this stuff here was the label with my personal information on that I told Oral. Let's go ahead and try to read the label. It says Nike Space Hippie, color gray, Vault, glow photon and dust, size 10.5, price, I believe this was $130. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox these. Take a look at the box. It got some. Take a look at the box. This says Space Hippie, Nike Trash Transform. And you have a barcode there. Nike Trash Transform. What's in the box? It comes with a little bag. A little recyclable bag, I guess. I'm not sure if you store the sneakers in here or not. This is the bag. Look like this bag is made of some recyclable material. What else is in the box? Oh, we have the sneakers. Here we go. This is the Nike Space Hippie. Give y'all a good little 360. Look at the inside. And also, let's take a look at this sneaker. Looking at this upper, I thought it was fly knit material, but once I read up on the shoe, I learned a little differently. The upper is made from 50% recyclable material. So that's my first time seeing a sneaker made of recyclable material. It has yarn, and they made it from bottles and t-shirts and plastic bottles and yarn scraps. So they really, sounds like this shoe was made from recyclable materials, which made it cost efficient, I'm assuming. Not sure. It's pretty, I don't know, it seems like a pretty stable shoe. What else? And the box they didn't double box the shoe because I guess to recycle. So that's why the actual shoe box the box is shipped in. But looking at the upper, it is gray, or what they call dust. And you have that Volt Nike swoosh stitched on. You see that midsole. Not sure what type of cushioning this is, but it is all constructed up of recyclable materials. Look at that outsole. Give a closer look. Look at the heel. We got the little recyclable logo right here. You have Nike swoosh on both sides of the sneaker. You have that Volt color Nike swoosh stitched on. And both shoes are pretty much the same. There's nothing really major differently about the sneakers. You can look at that toe box, Nike swoosh 01. And what does this say underneath here? It says Nike. Or it just says Nike in both different directions. Yeah, this is very different. These laces are the only laces it came with. It looks like it's some sort of blue or I don't know, some type of gray maybe. See if we can get a look at the inside. And let's see, can we check out the tag? Because this shoe sort of came out of nowhere. And we've already had 2 different versions released. Or 2 different colorways released. They released like, it's like 3 or 4 different sneakers that came out. And this is like the 2nd colorway, I believe. This is a size 10.5. Production date is October of last year to January of this year. So we got about 3 months of production on these. Both shoes are exactly the same. I'm gonna put this up here on the table. We're gonna give you another closer in-depth look at the sneaker and the box, because there was some other graffiti type things inside of the box that I really want you guys to see. Once I show this to you guys, we're gonna come back to you and wrap up the video. Yes, guys, we're back. This is the Nike Space Hippie 01. Tell me what you think about the shoe in the comments. Did you try to get this sneaker? I'm not sure when this concept was thought of, but tell me what you think of the concept. It's kind of cool. The sneaker looks real comfortable. I do not own a pair of my size, so I cannot say either way how they feel on feet, but it feels light as I was lifting it, giving you guys the review. So tell me what you think of the shoe. Leave those in the comment section. I'm going to wrap this video up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't seen my last video, you can go ahead and check that out. That was on the, it was the last video from the other day. I'm not sure which one it was. I think it was the, don't make me lie to y'all, but go ahead and check out the video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. TitanicFeetJack signing out.